Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw color pencil. So let's get started. First, start by drawing a curved line down to the right and upwards. And to the left. Now just following with me. And connect the line. Draw two round big eyes inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now draw a line here. Just following with me. Connect the line. And draw a curve inside. Now we have color pencil. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.